We're here now at the Rimac stand. Rimac makes this amazing car, the new hypercar, electric hypercar, the Nevera. It's in there, we're gonna see it in a second, 1900 horsepower. This is the battery, 112 kilowatt hours, 800 volt system. It says everything here, so I don't have to know anything. It's not the flat one that you know in a normal electric car, because you want to sit low and have a sporty feeling. Of course there's no battery in there, this is just the case. Let's look a bit. So here the Nevera with 1900 horsepower. It looks stunning and incredibly low. Look how low this car is. There's no space. This is the indicator of your charge. So it shows you what state of charge you are, and it can show if you're in sport mode and other things, and in drift mode. We have a second screen on the passenger side. They can show the passenger what power you're using. So wir reinzoomen. And a middle screen, and on top of the screen you have the two levers where you can, on the left side, change your drive mode, and the right side you can change the power of your motors in percent for the rear axle and the front axle. You can say you want 100% of power in the rear and only 30% in the front, for example. This is a stunning vehicle. What tires are these? How wide are those tires? Where's the number? 315. Oh my God. Look at the brakes. The brakes are bigger than in a small Fiesta or something. And there's amazing wing that has also the air brake function that goes up if you need more brake force. It's a stunning color. If you have 2 million euros, you can buy this car in a few years. You can't have it now because building takes a long time. It's 100% carbon fiber. And when you listen to the tests of people driving this car, it should be also extremely comfortable, even though it's an extreme sport car. You have almost no luggage. Where would you have put the stuff? Where would you put your stuff? There's a tiny bit of frunk, I think, if I remember that correctly. Oh, it's even a new car. There's a peel on the screen. It still has the peel on it. The steering wheel is small, huh? That's a small steering wheel. It's number 19 of 150 units. Opening is down here. It has wing doors, of course, and again 100% carbon fiber. Opening button should be here, and it goes up to here. The mirrors go out very wide. Stimmt. It's a stunning car. In the front is 275 20-inch wheels. In the rear 315. Wow. That is amazing. Cool.